In this video, let's continue with the same use case, customer onboarding, and we will learn how to add DataRaptor Extract in OmniScript. These are the previously created playlist, and now we are continuing with this playlist with this video, followed by a practice exercise as usual and interview questions. In previous videos, we completed some part of this customer onboarding project use case where we created repeat block. We have shown how to display a role specific questions dynamically with respect to condition. I mean to say, whatever the role selected, based on that role specific questions will be shown. Later on, whatever the contacts are added for one account, those contacts are saved using DataRaptor post. Now here what's happening, when an account and related contacts are entered, the next screen should display the complete contact list, newly added as well existing contacts. Here the objective is, then we need to retrieve, show all account contacts in the same OmniScript flow. Let me show you existing work. In this step, we have added one text in account name to enter the account name and some information. Then this is a repeat block to add multiple contacts, first name, last name, etc. And these are the questions which are the role specific. For example, this question is for the primary contact. This is for decision maker. Likewise, we have added n number of questions for all the roles. Then in last video, we added this data mapper post. Now here we need to create one DataRaptor to fetch all the contacts of the account to show it. Here contacts may be a newly created contacts or existing contacts. So how to do it? Let's take one DataRaptor extract. Let's create it, new data mapper. Contacts OmniScript flow, and then let's create it. As we know how to create DataRaptor Extract, already I have created multiple videos on DataRaptor Extract. You can watch it again in the playlist. So we want to fetch contact, fetch it, then we can give some name here, contacts. What's the filter here? I want to show contacts for the given account. Okay, so I will provide here filter will be a account name equals to, we can use some variable here. I'm using the same variable. We can use some other variable as well. For testing, I will add here SCC name. At this moment, I'm giving account name ACME. What I want to map, create mapping. I want contact name, contact colon name, save and new. I want email as well, contact colon email. I want phone as well, and that's it. Contact colon phone. Let's test it whether it's working or not. Yeah, we are able to see some details for ACME. Now what we are supposed to do, we want to call this data mapper from this OmniScript to fetch all the contacts or provided account name, but we need to pass this account name as well. So in this DataRaptor extract, in the filter value, I'm writing this ACC name, the same variable name what has been used in this data mapper, and to this variable we need to pass some value. So where is the value? We have account name in this variable ACC name. Where is this ACC name? It's under the step 1. So copy this step 1 colon ACC name. Don't get confused. You may understand I need to use the same variable. It is not the case. You can use different variable as well. So I'm copying it. let's add here. Okay, let's preview and test it whether we are able to see all the contacts or not. So let me give account name. I'm creating the new account, test account Darshan, and giving the contact, I'm just giving C1 here. I want to add one more contact. Let me give email as well. I can write here 1 and add one more, C2, and here also 2. As we know in the action debugger, after this addition of the contacts, if we click on the next, first of all DataRaptor post to create these contacts under this account. If this account is existing one, then it will be updated. I mean to say these contacts will be created under the same account. If it is a not existing, new account will be created. I think I mentioned this in the practice exercise, how to make existing account to get update with the new contacts. Then next, it's giving some error. It's saying a duplicate results. Okay, contact last name C1, this contact is already present. Okay, let me go back. Let me give some other name just to save the time. Yeah, we are able to create the contacts. First of all, let's see. We are able to create 2 contacts and 1 account. Let me check whether same account or it's a different account. Okay, test account Darshan, 2 contacts are created, and after this our DataRaptor extract which we developed just now, this one is get executed. Now we need to check, we should be able to see all the contacts. Yes, we are able to see the contacts created. Now what we can do here, let's do one more exercise. If we go to the next step and again come back, I'm adding one dummy step here, and let's do preview once again. I want to show you a different kind of testing here. I'm adding one new account here, Darshan account, and last name Darshan contact 1, email I can give. Let's add one more, contact 2, again contact 2. Okay, so next, okay, account is created and I think contacts are also created. Let me copy account ID, go back here and let's check it. So Darshan account and 2 contacts are created under the same account. Now after this we should be able to see the same contacts which are extracted. Yes, we are able to see. There is no email, phone associated with this contacts, hence we are not able to see it. If I click on the previous button, and for this only I added here dummy step. Click on the previous button and in the same account I will add one more contact. Add contact 3 and let's update this as well. There is a one catch here. We are providing email, but we are not able to see email in extract field. As I mentioned, email may not be there, but already we are providing email, then also we are not able to see email in the extract. This is the question for practice exercise. Next, so here contact is created. We can refresh this page. Darshan contact 1, contact 2. We are expecting here contact 3 as well. Yeah, it's updated and same should get extract as well. Yes, same has been extracted, but we have provided email, but email is not available here. Okay, that will be a practice exercise, but for this video our objective is implemented. Retrieve and show all account contacts in the same OmniScript flow, except one part. We are showing this at this moment in the action debugger only. What we are supposed to do, we need to show it on the next screen in the EY, specific EY format. That one part is pending here. Now, if you understood this, I would like to tell here one suggestion. Here we are able to retrieve contacts for entered account, but not able to display them as I mentioned. Could you please try and think which are the possible ways to display all retrieved contacts in the OmniScript? You can share your approaches in the comments as well. Second practice exercise, as I mentioned, we are providing email, but still we are not able to extract email. What should be a possible cause? Or if you have also implemented parallelly with me, let me know what's the reason of it, because here we are able to see the email. We already added the email in the mapping as well. So you can try for this. Even I will try offline and it will be reflected in the next video. Let me know if you are facing any issue in the comments. Based on this discussion, you can try for the sample interview question. You can try for the sample interview questions. Let me know your answers in the comment section. If you have any issues, any questions, add it in the comment. I will try my best to answer it quickly. Or if you want to share any scenario details or screenshots, you can message me on my LinkedIn page. Details are given here. In the next video, we will discuss how we can display the same contacts which we extracted just now using the edit block. If you learned something from this video, kindly subscribe the channel to continue with the project-based learning, like and share it. Or if you want me to create a video on specific topic you want, let me know topic. I will try to create the best video for that. Thank you.